All right, welcome back, everybody. I want to go over a couple citation generators with you. So what we have here is the Scribber citation generator. I'm showing you this one first because it is the one that I find kind of the easiest to use, mostly because you don't have to watch advertisements. So we'll go ahead and click Scribber. And then we will do citing. So let's do citation generator. And I already copied and pasted into my clipboard the URL for a source that we looked at in class. So I'm going to go ahead and put that source in, the Dr. Robert Brooks source. But before I cite it, over here on the left, I want to make sure that I move from APA. You can see these are all different types of citation guides. I'm going to do MLA 9th because that's our current. And I'm going to hit cite. And it shouldn't take too long to create our works cited entry, which is right down here, and I could copy it to my clipboard. Now, if you watched the previous video, right, you could quickly double check this, right? So we've got last name, first name, title of the source, title of the container, publication date, and location. Without a hyperlink, the only thing I would want to add to the end is a date access, so I could copy that to my clipboard. Okay, so I am good there. And Scribber is nice because if you add a lot of different sources, it will actually keep track of that for you. So let me stop sharing this for a moment, and we will go to a different citation generator. So let's go to EasyBib. So EasyBib is another version of this. You can do create citations. Okay, and you'll see that's pretty similar. I'm going to do website. I'm going to do the same one again. Search. It found that. Okay, so yes, that's the right one. I confirm that, and I'll go ahead and create it. And then I will hit continue. And see, it's going to ask me for some extra information here. Author, website, title, publisher. It's just checking to see. And this one actually will give me a date access. I'll do complete citation. And you can see it created one there. Is it the same? It looks to be the same, so that's good. Again, the date access for some reason didn't make it onto there. So you see that this particular one, EasyBib, is not quite as quick or as easy, despite its name, but it works pretty well. And it's something that I think you all can and should use. Again, the one thing that I'll note about EasyBib is that often they will have you use a or watch a video, like an advertisement. So, okay, so let's do another one. Let's do one more here. I know that there are other ways to do this. There are other citation generators. Scribber and EasyBib are the two that I see students using the most. There's a citation generator in Grammarly. Things like Zotero will do it, but you can explore if you want. What I want to show you is if I do a database search in the Shoreline library. I'll sign in here. And of course, we've got that dual factor authentication. So you do have to be signed in. And as it loads. Okay, so one of the things that we can do is what makes us human. Let's just search. And let's find, why not? Let's check this one. This one is a peer-reviewed journal, and I know because it gives me this little peer-reviewed academic journal. So as we talked about in class, peer-reviewed academic journals are probably the most reliable. And this does the work for you, so you know it's checked. So I've got link to full text, all this stuff. So if I went and I read this article and I liked it, up here, these little quotation marks or inverted quotation marks, if I hover over that, it says cite. Now, if I click that, I have something similar to what I had on EasyBib and Scribber, which is I need to make sure that I'm in the correct citation style. So I'll go to MLA 9, and you can see here now it is a full works cited entry that is accurate. Yep, I've got all that stuff on there. So you could absolutely use the Academic Search Complete citation generator as well. I don't see any reason why not to. In this day and age, I think it's good to know how to create a MLA or APA or whatever style entry. However, I don't think that there's any need to create them every time you do it. That is the way that things were when I was in college, but we have technology now that helps us and makes things a lot easier. Okay, so there you go. So you've got Scribber, you've got EasyBib, you've got the Academic Search Complete, which will automatically create those citations for you. Again, I would say just do a quick double check, make sure nothing's weirdly formatted, and make sure that you are adding a date access for anything that is a source that exists entirely or solely online. Okay, so there you go. If you have questions, comments, concerns, jokes, memes, or recipes, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later.